Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Ban peni ka jing ya teli bat ka jala Manipur bat shibenta ban persha halor ka jing sngap menti jong ka sarkar pedeng halor ki mat jing dawa jong ka jala Meghalaya bat ki be ki jala ki bash ki than chatai lami ngi ka North East Students Organization kala penlong ya ka jing ya ki da ka basyong kalan mongor menta ka sngi ka khandai trik unai weng arajar at pulai hamadan yoring hap Fire Brigade Shillong dalam kemat ya ni ka jing ya ki do chairman ke NESO Samuel Jarwa hak ba di ki pautli ki seng bhalang ba ki pai ba ru kumjo lawan mani shimbenta ba Samuel lakdo ba ka seng kala kentu e sarkar pedeng la bun sin makan sngap lam e ka jela Manipur namar ka jing shak ta ki bri ba lui ndai ka sarkar pedeng kala le matla ba sngap menti ki jing karpat nalor ka tau ba Samuel lapen pau ka jing sngo khya ba ka sarkar pedeng ka shupen i ba ka pelet jing mot tang hi ki jaka puta ba ki marpo khando ki badan ha Manipur ban ya ka ba ped ba keren na ka benta ki jing e kiba jia ha kate ke jela
dalam ki perlok bari ne ko ki ba ki me dei kumju Jerman kapor ki jupan snow ba nga ko ba dong gi ka kliang ka ki surang ka ka ni so pro ko wai kam semyang ga ni ka sri ba menta ban bishar mano bakla bak mano badai kamyang ne jaka ba pangsan jing dawa jono hadi ngi yang ne jaka menta kolong ban penran jaka jingong snapjar ne kata ka silent attitude trong ka sarkar India. Lada ka jingya pitan trong sarkar India apo jinglam tan Narendra Modi ya ka jingja apo ne pur ka panisha baka sarkar India ka Amin Sim bandon ka jingong snam trong kita jaj penjuru munti po Manipur. Bakata ka nang kun tahunte yo se ka sapoi ko po kanjia Assam kanjia Tripura kanjia Nagaland kerja Mizoram kerja lo untuk kerja Meghalaya kejui namar kumagalong kaman lada kayelong kumi Andrew Bnai Kenti kelaya kita jengia kumsnam untuk kerja Manipur ini jenisah penyak kelung kena kerja dum MMPP Andrei ni ipat kita kibor sensar coba sekar dia lah kalau henti untuk kerja Manipur ini kiset kelut pakai lek marna ia keijin long sar namta tak engineers community em po na isi pro kawai kata kita illegal migrants ban boas long akan isi pro kawai henrai prang jenya nanti banyak ki bandawa yang kita ke mechanism untuk control kita illegal migrant kasosi dalam ik pendan baka sarkar dia katau kapak da kawai pat kaput kuno ban ID kuno ban injek kuno ban warna pat kata kajing bam pat jingom senam apa yang jungi gicet dulu begini pun non isi berokoi. Bahkan ini kapal isya, bahkan kata kamperkat petang, Yolese juga sokar nanti pemilihan dia kamperkat bangi ginon is ngindai ginon dia. Kani kakran saya mentang, kami kakran saya dulu, kami mikran bangi, asobonong kacingre juga sokar dia kapan palang, pak kubur, ya ke jinglong jeman kebujukan nak kapos. Padahal kalau kata kapenta, nak kalian juga ni so nation, but kini so kajian, but ni jakmat kami tak kini kasih bermentah andai, ia pensau nak kapor, bakapor jika saudara dia, kalau dia pelat, bahkan le ia andai ngasau bentong, kadang kajingong, bet dan neba. Ia tak jingong senam, dan kamdan ni Asia dan net, supaya kiswar kiban, bagi le kumpamala. Mengenam naik bakong kata kita disupai sesuatu kena melakukan temui ada nation dan teror kebanta lada kerja muslim nanti kadang ia jur kerja punya nanti kadang ia mi nak kasih selesai nasoban orang baru kerja beli kapan lagi sekarang dia badai maka kenapa beli dia kerja dulu di kemesti bayului kerja thukno kapulai putih kisah lapuli hantam kerja yang bagi siapa yang dikelung kena baru pasang pun diput seberang. Kadang baru aja dia nak sangka kami ini. Kadang kesokan dia bapa, bak kesokan dia bencium dia jadi kri.
About the incident happened in Manipur, we urge all our brothers and sisters belong to Kuki and Meitei that please maintain peace in the state because we have seen revenge, hate is not a solution. But the solution is only peace among ourselves. We should eat the meaning. Since all of you are here, we must remember one thing. There's a word said, blood is thicker than water. As a Northeast indigenous tribal and a citizen of the Northeast, we have to maintain this. Otherwise, revenge will lead only a difference between the two communities.
We feel that peace has evaded the state of Manipur. Now the question arises, who can bring peace to the state of Manipur? Well, as NESO, we've had several meetings on this very important issue, and we have also visited Manipur in the month of August, in which we have met the leaders from various different organizations, both in the valley and also in Chorachandpur, in the hill districts of Chorachandpur. We've also visited the relief camps in which the internally displaced people are being placed in these relief camps. And it's very sad, and we feel pity for the people, for the indigenous people of Manipur, that they have to stay, to live in these relief camps, especially for the women and children, and also for the school students in which the studies has been affected.
It is what is adding more to the tragic incidents is the rendering of homelessness to lakhs of people, either from the Kuki or from the Meitei community. Means lakhs of them have become homeless, and as reported, women are being molested and women are being raped. That is not acceptable in this, so to say, the age of enlightenment. We all stand in condemnation of all those acts of atrocities, be it in whatever intensity or degree.
I address my words by stating that the government of India had failed us numerous times, not only once. They have always neglected our reason since from the past. It is really sad and disheartening to see our brothers and sisters in Manipur suffering, and the issue could have been resolved if the government of India have taken up immediate action. Our brothers and sisters would not have lost their life, their houses, and would not have suffered there in Manipur. We entrusted our government to take responsibility for our peace and order in every state. But
here are some things that need to be done for bringing back peace in Manipur. Point number one is we need to first listen to demand of both communities separately. We need to then bring them in front of each other and try to make things work. Point number two, an amicable dialogue assuring both communities of their demand being fulfilled to be done. Number three, a separate administration for both Kukis and Meiteis are to be made for functioning of state.
So sorry for our brothers and sisters that we cannot do anything, but we can at least pray to God that this longings of peace be prevailed soon. But this peace cannot be prevailed alone by the speech, by such demonstration, but by our action. We have to let the government, state government or the central government must know that we are also a part of India. If not, then what are you doing right now?
The primary objective of any government is to protect the rights of the people, to serve the people. But now we have seen that the central government has not taken any positive steps to neutralize or control the situation out there in Manipur. We all know the conflict starts in May 3rd, 6 months have been passed. And even right now also many people youngsters, young kids, all men, women have been spending a very, very sad life, so to say. There are thousands of people who have been displaced and they are right now confined in concentrated camps. More than 200 villages have been burned, uprooted, and more than 200 people have been killed. And thousands of students have been left astray. They are dropped out from school or colleges because of the non-functioning of the institution.